Goa Can does this campaign on the frog and the need to save the frog because it's very intricate to Goa's environment and Goa's lifestyle, Goa's nature, and again we want to make this appeal to save the frog. Now there are two things. Many consumers ask us, they say, "Bebeche mas khaina." I am not involved in that jumping chicken, but that's not the only issue. The other issue is that we need to allow frogs to grow and survive. And therefore, this year we want to make a special appeal to all people who have small properties, fields, other things, to allow the frog to, survive and multiply. Because this is, the frog is a symbol of the comeback of nature. And as United Nations says, rejuvenation is very important. Whatever wrong has happened and the damage done to the environment, we need to, at our own level, start to respond to that. And the other point is also to check the fertilizer use that we are, having in our fields. Now, it's very important. See, on 25th we observed World Malaria Day, and as you know, the frog has played a very important role in controlling the mosquito population in the state of Goa. But today, as we see, this is not happening because the frogs have, diminished, and therefore, as worldwide 28th April is observed as Save the Frog Day. Once again, from Goa Can, we appeal to consumers, pass the message on, make a strong, a loud noise really, that beach shacks and other restaurants should not serve jumping chicken, the dish which is sold to domestic tourists, where these frogs, their legs are, the frogs are slaughtered for their legs to be served as a delicacy. And we hope that more consumers will respond to this appeal of Goa Can. This part of nature. So I think we need to emphasize the saving of the frog, basically to bring back that part of nature which is so much important for Goa's history and culture.